I'd like to start a new series on the channel that considers the purchase of tools by do-it-yourselfers as an investment. Now, professionals like career carpenters, mechanics, plumbers, electricians, and other trades generally will have strong preferences on brands based on quality, durability, longevity. However, the do-it-yourselfers may find that a cheaper tool is fine for their particular uses. So, I'm going to look at my tool collection and try to rank their value for the weekend warriors among us. My criteria. Number 1. Packaging. What's more annoying than a tool that is hard to take out and put away? A compact tool, or one that can naturally be put in a case and on a shelf, is much better than one that is bulky or hard to store. Number 2. Speciality. A tool that has multiple uses is generally more useful and valuable than one that has very specific or limited use. 3. Skill. Does the tool require special skills or is hard to use? Or is easy to use right out of the box? Number 4. Cost and value. The minimum cost for a tool is considered, also its value over the tool's price range. By this I mean, does the tool get minimally better, notably better, or much better as the cost increases? Number 5. Return on investment. How long does it take for the tool to pay itself off? Or more specifically, how many uses of the tool are needed before it is advantageous to buy the tool and do it yourself versus paying someone else to do a job that you otherwise would have been able to complete? That's it for now. If you're interested in my take or a review of a specific tool, search the How Tools section of my channel. Otherwise, just ask and I'll see what I can do.